Now, there's DESIGNFlex ceiling systems in a cloud. Introducing DESIGNFlex for formations, acoustical clouds. Easy to specify and install with pre-cut components in a variety of panel shapes, sizes, and colors, as well as total acoustics and sustained performance. DESIGNFlex for formations options include shapes, sizes, and colors in 9 standard cloud kits. All trim comes pre-cut and bundled, while all grid components and accessories are organized and individually wrapped to maximize your organization and efficiency at the project site. Rolled up paper templates are provided for all trim components so you can quickly and easily mark your T locations. Mark the outside edge of each T. This will greatly simplify the alignment during installation. It is essential that you mark your cloud and hanger positions on the floor. Then align each piece of trim to the layout so you can mark and drill all hanger locations in the trim, since it's the trim that we will hang first. Plumb your cables to the floor layout, which will ensure your cloud's position is true to the RCP. Cables are discreetly installed through the holes that you pre-drilled in the top flange, then secured into place with quick loop connectors that are hidden from view within the trim. Hung this way, the aircraft cables virtually disappear with no visible hardware. Now that your trim is up, you have a module to install your main runners in. Depending on the cloud you're installing, mains will either be 2 or 4 feet on center. Quick loop connectors suspend the mains with aircraft cable. Pre-hang these cables at the same time you hang your perimeter cables, carefully aligning to your floor layout. After your clouds are installed, it's time to install your cloud's angle brackets to each main runner. These will form your cloud's angles while stab connecting to XM cross Ts. Brackets are positioned at route hole locations and are held into place with provided nuts, washers, and screws. The square nuts are conveniently held into place within the bracket, ready to accept the opposing screw. At this bracket location, we're installing the washer to screw, then inserting through a double angle bracket. Opposing the double bracket is a single angle bracket with a nut secured inside and ready to meet the screw. Once secured, move to your next route hole location and install your next bracket configuration. Once all brackets have been installed, it's time to install your superfine XM cross Ts, which easily stab and click into place with the opposing XM connector on the angle bracket. Corner brackets install separately to the cross T first. These are used in cloud layouts that have right angle triangles. Simply stab the cross T into the bracket, then screw into the opposing T or mains bulb with a sharp point screw. Depending on the orientation of the T, you may be screwing into a main or cross T bulb. Shaped lighting options are available from our DESIGNFlex partners, JLC Tech and Axis. T-bar LEDs come with pre-installed XM end details. We found it's best to align your power supplies to the point of your triangle module. This will make it much easier to navigate your panel between power supplies first. Mains and single perimeter Ts that engage the trim are held into place with the AXTBC. The tab that the cross T attaches to can be hand bent to accommodate the cross T's angle. For absolute precision, mark your cross T to the angled perimeter T measurement on your included shops. Carefully align the mark on your cross T with the AXIOM flange. A pony clamp will hold your T in place while you're able to lock down with a C-clamp prior to screwing. Place your screw in the center of the clip's elliptical hole for easy 16th-inch adjustments if needed. When installing a neighboring angle T to the AXIOM trim, take care to align its placement with the pencil mark you made earlier with the provided paper templates. Once you have it where you want it, hold it in place with a pony clamp. To join the second angle T to the initial T, we're going to use PACs or perimeter angle clips. Installed properly, these clips form an angle junction with screw holes for anchoring to the grid. Now, before installing all of your panels, Make sure to diagonally measure your cloud for squareness and compare to the measurements we provided you on your shops. It's essential that you dial in your cloud to the diagonal measurements we provided you. Brace if necessary. This will ensure easy panel installation.